Hey guys, so quick video lang today. Mag-upgrade tayo sa stage 11. So ang upgrade ng stage 11 is 165k tokens, and daily earnings natin is magiging 48,000 from 34,000. Okay, so boost natin siya. And then yan, so nag-iba na yung itsura ng ano natin, ng parang CPU, parang PC eh. So ayan, so 12,000 na. Ang per launch ko na full battery is 12,000 kasi 48,000 daily. So 4 times akong makakapag launch ng full bat kasi 6 hours per full. So 6 times 4, 24 hours. So yan, stage 12 na tayo. And if you scroll down guys pala, hindi ko pala ito na-mention before, meron tayong chance to earn peak tokens. So ang peak is a different network. So meron tayong iba't ibang networks, diba? So like Solana na parang pinaka-hype ngayon. Yung DNet naman, itong tokens dito is under peak network. So, coming soon yan. So, hopefully guys, meron na kayong account. Hindi natin kasi alam kung paano yung magiging mechanics on how to earn the peak tokens. But, currently, last time na chinek ko is nasa around 17 pesos per peak tokens. Okay? So, magre-research pa ako about dito para ma-explain ko ng mas maayos sa mga susunod nating videos. So, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.